We have an update to the LaForge suite. All of the plugins included in the LaForge suite have this amazing update. A common issue you might see in some After Effects plugins is that the bounds of the effect are visible, and you don't want those bounds to be visible. Let's say, for example, I have this ProductionCrate logo in my composition, and I add a glow to it. Everything looks great, but then I move my logo outside of frame. I'm not seeing any glow from my logo. Yes, my logo is invisible, but the glow from it should be. Our new expand bounds system will create that glow, so if you move that asset outside of your composition boundaries, you will see that glow. And I'm just using glow for examples, but this applies to every single plugin we have that has the expand bounds system. This is a far faster and far more efficient system. You can increase or decrease the expand bounds. This will be more computationally expensive, but this is the least computationally expensive way of doing things. Now, a glow is a perfect example of something that's perfectly symmetrical, right? It glows out from one center point. But what about something like a long gradient or long shadow? Things that are more asymmetric, they're coming in at an angle. We don't want to calculate the expensiveness of all that area around the logo that shadow or that gradient isn't visible. That's a waste of computation. So instead, we have an advanced system which is going to let you specify the exact region or quadrant that you want to calculate. So for example, I'll apply the long gradient to my logo, and then I can increase the right and down until I have enough of my gradient visible. And then just like before, I can move my logo up, down, out of frame or whatever, and that gradient is still going to be rendered. This might seem like a small update to LaForge, but I can guarantee you it's going to be so powerful for all of your projects. We have a ton of awesome new plugins available in the LaForge suite, and we have a couple more planned that are supremely awesome. So stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Later, creators.